Hi, Andrew here at Gateway Toyota. I'd like to show you another great vehicle in our pre-owned lineup. This is a 2017 Toyota Prius. It's the hybrid. Great fuel efficiency on this vehicle. You're looking at about 4.4, 4.5 liters per 100 Ks. Amazing fuel efficiency. A lot of nice, great features. This is in this beautiful red. This one has 3M on the hood. It's got the LED projector style headlights on it. Of course, the alloy wheels on this one. Really sleek design on this. Of course, it is a hatchback. Really cool LED tail lights on this one as well. Lots of room in the back for your for storage. Of course, the seats fold flat for additional room. Cargo net on this one. You got a tonneau cover. Let me show you a few great features on the inside. So I'll just fire this vehicle up. So really cool display. You've got energy monitor, of course your speedometer, all kinds of information on the vehicle, all of your the costs and so forth on the fuel trips. Of course, you've got your center stack here. It's a touchscreen display. You do have the backup camera on this one as well. Audio, touchscreen audio display on this. You have also information about your vehicle. Automatic climate control. That's digital here. You've got your drive mode, so you got power, eco, and normal mode. EV mode, you've got the heated front seats. You also have your audio controls on your steering wheel, Bluetooth, lane departure, radar cruise control on this one. You've got all your power options. It is really nicely equipped. For more information about this great vehicle, give us a shout at 780-439-3939 or check us out on our website at gatewaytoyota.ca or come down in person. We're at 2020 103rd A Street Southwest in Edmonton. We can't wait to show you this great vehicle. I know you're going to love it. See you soon. Take care.